Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we shall see how to pipe these florals on cupcakes. So these can be used to make beautiful cupcake bouquets. I'm using a Swiss meringue buttercream here. So first I'm using a small piping nozzle to make markings. Markings make it easy to pipe flowers around it. I'm using a petal tip 104 and I have filled the piping bag with dual tone buttercream to get those pretty petal edges. As you can see, I am piping small petals inside the small circles that I have marked. Start piping the petals from the center outwards. You just have to pipe an inverted teardrop and turn the cupcake as you pipe. So small flowers inside each circle. As you pipe, do not rush. Do it patiently because flowers take time to bloom, and make sure the buttercream is of right consistency and the room temperature is around 20 to 22 degrees Celsius to get perfect piped flowers. Keep the pressure steady and rotate as you pipe. So every swirl adds beauty to the cupcake, and using a dual tone buttercream definitely makes it more appealing. Isn't it satisfying to watch this? If you love this tutorial, please do like and subscribe for more such cake decorating tutorials and buttercream piping ideas. So once we are done piping 5 flowers around the cupcake, we also pipe a flower in the center. And then I am using green buttercream and petal tip to pipe some leaves for life and also fill the gaps between the flowers. So these little details, they make the difference and make your cupcakes look realistic. And then you can use a contrast color to pipe the center of the flower. And there you have a beautiful buttercream blossom. If you liked it, please do subscribe and enjoy.